Alright guys, we will be playing our game today. It's pretty fun. It's just there's 3 people, there's 1 hunter. He goes around, tries to kill everybody. Well, in this case,
2
you
people.
And you.
Yeah, me.
And I have a pretty legit gun to kill him with. Yeah, 6 point. Anyway, yeah. So, I will be giving them a minute head start, right?
Yeah, like a minute.
A minute?
Yeah, about a minute.
All right, a minute. And so I'm gonna chase him around. I'm videoing this whole time. It's gonna be like 45 minutes long or something like that.
No.
And
It's a podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll just have a great fun, really fun time. All right, guys. That's it. 1 minute head start. Go. Yeah. The Escapist, I think, is the game I'm definitely gonna play because man, it's a great game. Love it. Made Prison Architect, stuff like that. I'm just renting a bunch of random crap. You probably hear like a humming like this. So that's the sound of my gun. It's semi-automatic. Who's that there? Boy! Ah, crap. Two shots for everybody. Where's Krista? Oh, can you get the bullets for me?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I need you guys run up here.
What?
No, I don't see him. I am the best killer in all of this town because I just demolished your butt. Car.
Hit me in the hole. I can't believe you did
She
that.
did not like me. Did not like me at all.
That did that?
What?
Flip you off?
Yeah. That's why she doesn't like me. Cause, all right, so, I was riding my bike. I went down in the cul-de-sac, and I came back out. I didn't see that car.
Yeah, you did.
Looking
at it.
No. And I went straight out in front of her. She wasn't gonna hit me or anything. Even if it went slow as troll, she wouldn't have hit me. But she still gave me a middle finger. Not a very nice woman. Go apologize.
Ow. Daisy blends in so well with the ground.
There he is. There he is. Give me my gun. Go shoot him. Stop wasting all the bullets.
Dang
Come
it.
on.
How did I not hit him?
Your mom's semi-automatic. No. Chris, come here. Make it easier for me. Come here. Look at that. No bullets. Crap. No.
I'll sit here. I'll wait till you come back.
No. It's not done yet.
Alright.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'm dead now.
No. Get on the ground.
I'm dead.
Plead your death, boy. Plead it. There you go.
I'm dead.
Squeeze. Punch. Doop. Ah, no, stop it.
Okay, I guess Landon won.
Alright guys, that is the video. If you liked, please leave a comment down in the description and a like if you really liked it. Stop photobombing you, Chris. Yeah, and if you want more of these videos, please
You probably don't.
try to subscribe. Thank you.
You shouldn't subscribe.